the question that you focused on me, how startups can have more impact, how they can grow in their journey, and this question like how to convince doctors and healthcare already existing healthcare bodies or organizations to adopt these solutions, kind of a similar question when it comes to late stage startups. So one point I always believe is that there is the we've been seeing like big giant companies now seeing the potential in digital healthcare in India, with Reliance taking over NetMeds, Pharmacy, and this MedLife going for a merger. Amazon is coming with the e-pharmacy, and then recently Economic Times mentioned that Tata Group is also planning to buy 1 milligram. So this definitely shows that the market is huge and enormous and going to explode and grow very rapidly, and all the big player wants a big chunk of the pie. Now when it comes to startups, they are not having that sort of a marketing budget, but there is one suggestion that I believe can help startups that are in late stage of product development and early market adoption, is that they can go for a collaborative approach. Instead of building everything, build what you are best at and collaborate with other startups, build a team of 5 startups, and that dilutes their marketing effort as well. Instead of each startup pitching that I have everything and you buy it from me, if 5 startups have collaborated and do that kind of a marketing and pitching effort, they can sell a collaborative solution, all those modules and solutions to an organization with the distributed marketing effort and having all the things. And maybe if they do a good growth as a collaboration, they can think of a merger later on. So I believe a good suggestion for startups could be this kind of approach when big players are already trying to snatch the big chunk of the market. So that's
great point, Rohit. Great point, Rohit. Yeah, over to Pranit, sir.
Yeah, I think Rohit, you made a very, very important point. The future is collaboration, not competition. And just to update you guys, Google and Microsoft, both. Microsoft is coming. They were supposed to launch their medical cloud this November. Somehow or other, it seems to have been delayed. We don't know the reason. And Google has invested a huge amount of money in developing these solutions. And currently, their entire team is being led by clinicians, doctors. Clinicians who have had managerial experiences, they are the team leaders now. The entire business is being run by them. And with the kind of reach Google has, the kind of reach Microsoft has, you can imagine, if you do not collaborate today, you will be wiped away. So collaboration is the key today for not only thinking of thriving, for surviving. Because the moment Google and Microsoft, these companies roll out their solutions, their access to customer is already there. How many of us don't have a Gmail? Right? So every Gmail account, just like Jio is doing, what is Reliance doing? Anybody who has got a Jio connection, he has got a telemedicine facility through that, teleconsultation facility through that. So the reach which these giants have, 30 million, 40 million, is peanuts for them. So time is for young startups today to make niche solutions, collaborate with each other, and go as a basket of solutions rather than saying that I will deliver everything.
Great point. Great point. Yes, collaboration is the key. And that also illustrates that if you collaborate and if you find a niche and join, even if you cannot scale it, you make a company worthy of acquisition by these great giants, and at least you at least satisfy your VC and your efforts, and you are not in a ditch where you don't have any returns.